This is a quick review of the Elgato Wave 1. Nothing much to say about the microphone itself. It's good, sturdy, a good microphone. I will show you the mounting for the USB on the back side. Actually makes it hit the shock mount that you can buy. It makes it almost unnecessary to buy shock mount when a cable is pulling the microphone. So they need to redesign the shock mount or the USB port. And as a quick fix, I dug deep into my cable stash and found a smaller cable. It helped the problem somewhat, but it's not really a solution, I think. The actual reason I bought the microphone was the software. I'm going to show you real quick here. This is the Wave link, and I saw a lot of reviews on it, and it looked amazing. You can do so many things. You can have 9 different parts, and you can assign them to whatever you want, more or less. I have Twitch system, the microphone for games, for music, for the browser, and so on and so on. But there is a problem. If I want to use all 9 spaces, I have to use this slider. I can't in any way make this larger. It's like one size fits all. No, it really doesn't. So I have to move the slider to get to the last 3 in fact. That's not optimal. I can survive that by using the Stream Deck, and it's very easy to use with the Stream Deck. I can show you real quick a little later for the buttons, or maybe I just pull that up here. It comes pre-installed with 2 wavelinks. You have the home button. You can switch between the monitor mix and the stream mix, and every separate part of these is the game. You can adjust by pressing the game. You will move on to different folders, subfolders. Let's see if you can. Yeah, we will get into this. And no, I don't want to use GeForce Experience. And for the microphone, so you can use this. It's really easy, and you can use them for both. Here you are. Easy access. Problem is, you can see I Twitch. So I'm gonna open Twitch like this. And here it is. And I'm gonna see what Clean is doing. And I think he has a commercial running at the first 10 seconds or so. I might have to cut that. We have to see. No, it was okay. And you can't hear the Twitch. You see this? Nothing. I can hear it. You can't hear it. And we go into this. Twitch, line 1. We check Twitch, aux 1. Link, aux 1. No problem. But it doesn't work. I change to whatever. Browser. And back to aux 1. Now it works. No problem. And I can adjust it so you can't hear it. You can only hear my beautiful voice. And now back to this. And let's turn Twitch off. And let's start Twitch again. Let's see if we get some commercial or not. Hang on. No commercial. And as you see, you can't hear it. So I have to do this again. Twitch, it's still AUX 1. I don't know what the trouble is. Oh, it's game. Back to AUX 1. That's my Twitch. And this I have to do every time I close a software and open it. Same with the games, Spotify, browser. System doesn't work at all. And it's really annoying that you have to do it every time. And every time you start your computer you have to do it. And so on, and it's really annoying. Yeah, I don't know if it's something they can fix real easy, but in the settings is like nothing. Check for updates and log in. So if you don't have the Stream Deck, this might be an issue with all the moving around. I only have one PC, so doing this without a Stream Deck would be hard while playing, because I can control it from the Stream Deck, but all the ways you have to tab in and out, and yeah, and that you can't root them and it stays in root. It falls out every time you close a program or restart your computer, and that sucks. But for the money, I think it's a good microphone. I have nothing bad to say about it. And what's it called? The clip guard works really good too. So if you start screaming or something, you will clip it without destroying the sound. So that works really, really good. Well, that's what I had to say. And I don't know if you've seen this, but I can move to this. Link faders, so only pull one fader. So if they fix some of these bugs, or what you want to call it, I don't know if the resizing thing is a bug or if it's not just not there. I don't know. Well, if you want to buy it, I recommend it. It's as I said, it's a nice microphone, and the software is really nice too. It's easy, and especially if you have dual PCs, and one for gaming and one for streaming, you can easily access this. Or if you have a Stream Deck, of course. And that's all for me. Thank you.